Hello traders, in this video I want to show you how to use support and resistance levels in combination with a fixed volume profile for day trading. I explain it by an example on the EUR/USD 1 hour time frame, and what I'm looking for on this time frame is the last leg that broke structure. This one here made a new high, and here the leg started. I marked this now with a line, because if price would close below this support level on this time frame, I regard this setup as invalidated for going long. Okay, the next thing I do is to draw a fixed range volume profile onto the chart starting from this accumulation area from which the price started to rise. Volume is thicker at this area here, but it was broken to the downside. But the highest volume we had at this level, so I mark this level of support. And we can notice that price is respecting it. It isn't closing below. That is interesting. This is the first indication that this level is going to hold and that price is potentially going up from here. But I want to have more confirmation, so I switch to a time frame that is 4 times lower, which is the 15 minutes. Alright, and here I mark the resistance level of the leg that made the last low. And what I'm waiting for now is a close above this resistance level, because this is an indication that the market structure is going to change. Okay, it happened here, then price is retracing a bit. But then it's coming back above the resistance and also above the VWAP. So I place a buy trade at the close of this candle. The stop loss I set to the previous swing low. And to define the take profit, I add again a volume profile at the leg that started above the current price. I also want to see an area of distribution, this one here, because this is where price is most likely going to stop next. This is where you find your next level, and when I add a fixed volume profile, you will see that the volume at this area is very high. You see it when I draw it into the chart. The red line is the point of control. Here you have the highest volume. So in this area where we have a thick volume profile, I try to find a level of resistance. The highest level is this resistance. Of course, not sure that we are going to reach it, but we can also switch to other time frames like the 30 minutes to see levels more clearly. And here see this one close to the POC, and I expect price to hit this level at least. Okay, we reached it easily, and when I switch now to the 15 minutes again, you can notice that we are testing this upper level of the 15 minutes exactly, which is for me an indication that it is a good idea to close the trade at the close of this candle, which is a 1 to 2 risk to reward, so pretty good. And we have news, the PMI coming up soon, so I think the best decision is to close and be happy with the 2-hour trade. Yep. So guys, we are discussing trades and setups like this every single day in the TG member area of the Discord. Here we had one for Euros 100. I found and announced it also using the profile, and here you see it closed to the pip at an obvious support level. You can join the TG members by pressing the join button here on my YouTube channel. And another option is to become a patron. Same price, same perks, and the links are in the description below. If you are a day trader and you need a good broker with low commissions and low spreads, I can highly recommend Hankotrade. The leverage is up to 500, it is very easy to register. The link to the website is in the description. Register, you don't need KYC documents, give it a try. Alright, that's it again. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also consider joining our TG member area. The links are in the description below. If you still have any questions, add these to the comments, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.